Good morning everyone and welcome back to a decentralized bull channel. Today we're going to talk about the Cointelegraph false report that made Bitcoin pump up to $30,000, which in my opinion, even though the report was false, it's positive for Bitcoin because we saw that the market is ready to pump on some positive news. This means the next positive news is going to come up. It's going to make the market go up even more. And if the real ETF will get approved, that means the market will pump even more. That's why I think this was quite a good indicator that the market is ready to go up. But now let's jump straight into the charts and see what is happening right now to Bitcoin. Actually, here we have some news. Bitcoin skyrockets 30,000 on false reports about approved spot Bitcoin ETF by the SEC. So this announcement was made by Cointelegraph, and here you can see it on Twitter. 1 second. Maybe let's go here. Yeah, so here you can see Cointelegraph posted breaking SEC approves iShares Bitcoin spot ETF around 13 hours ago. Now here we can see they deleted the post already, and everyone said, hey, it's fake news, and then the market started going back down again. Now let's quickly go into the Bitcoin chart and see what happened yesterday. So here we can see Bitcoin was sitting at 27,800 yesterday. Then this post from Cointelegraph came and we jumped to $30,031, which is quite nice. And then it dumped back again on the fake news report. So that's why I think and afterwards, slowly but surely, market started to pick up again, which I think is quite positive. So here we can see after it pumped and dumped because of the fake news, we can see the market started to pick up. It went back again to 28,375. Then here it went up to 2,878, which is quite nice. And now we're sitting at around $28,200, which is quite nice, because if we go into the bigger picture, let me quickly show it to you. We just broke out of this lower highs pattern. So here we can see, here we kind of created a double top, but it even broke if you count the wick. So if you count the small wick here, we even broke this top. So now, right now, we can see the new resistance would be something like this. Let me quickly show it to you. Okay, it can be a little bit better. 1 second, so here we can see this is probably the new resistance line right here. And if we break this one, then market's probably going to go up even more. But now we're still $1,800 below that, so let's stay realistic and see what's going to happen. It's very realistic that we come back to this red line, 27,800, where the price was yesterday before the news. This is very realistic. But we can also jump back up from there. So let's see what's going to happen. And until we don't break this zone here, the red zone, we can still start creating higher lows here, because we had these lows. Let me quickly make a trend line also here. Maybe let's do it from here, or actually let's take it from here, because this looks even better. So we have this new support zone here with higher lows, which is quite positive for the market. Now let's see what other altcoins are doing. everything kind of 1% down because it pumped so much yesterday. Ethereum also under 1590 can happen. SUI 41 cents. If you know, I'm shorting SUI since always when I see that they are vesting new tokens into the market. Now, what else we have here? Nothing so important. I only focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. That's why. Let's see what Ethereum is doing just for a little bit. But I think we probably have... Oh, actually Ethereum is not doing so well as Bitcoin because it didn't have the... interesting. Because there was no ETF. So here we can see on Ethereum, actually we're still forming lower lows, which is not so positive. And here we have also lower highs. This means Ethereum didn't break his downtrend, which is kind of strange, but also understandable because only the Bitcoin spot ETF was apparently approved on this fake news. So for now, let me quickly go back to camera mode. So the real news is there was no Bitcoin spot ETF approved yet. I'm sure it will come in the future, maybe next year after the bull run starts picking up already. Because as we know, the government and the SEC, they're probably not gonna start to approve one very, very important tool for the retail people to get into Bitcoin when it's at a lower price. As we know, they are gonna approve this kind of stuff when the price is high. But everything is possible. They can approve it also in the next couple of days, weeks, months, or whenever they want. No matter what, Bitcoin is still gonna go up. Bitcoin is gonna be one of the most valuable assets in the world. And let me quickly show you some of my trades. I'm still shorting a lot of altcoins and making quite good profit. So here we still have my Shiba Inu short, 608% in profits. So if you would have used $1,000 for these trades, you would have made $6,000 in profit. Then I have my Algorand short, which I opened, if you remember, if you're watching my videos, I opened it when the SEC filed the lawsuit against Binance and other tokens that are securities. That's when I opened this short, and it's doing very well. It's 1,900% almost in the profits. This means if you put in $1,000, you would have made $19,000, which is great because this shows you that in crypto you can make a lot of profits with low capital. So even with $1,000, you can easily make a 5 figures return. And this trade I have basically open since 4 months, I think. So if you calculate that and put $1,000 in, you could have made around $5,000 for each month that you're holding this trade open, which is quite amazing. There is not so many opportunities like this to make such gains. That's why if you want to trade like me and are a professional trader, go down below. I have a link to my affiliate portal from Bybit. There you will get a much better deal. If you sign up with my link, you will get the possibility to get a $30,000 bonus after your initial deposit. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.